welcome to our video blog. And news for today is that today is Holy Week, and I'm very busy for a lot of work that I have been doing, and I'm organizing two big events for this year, and I haven't been updating for the ToyCon video blog and for the other stuff that's to be done for the ToyCon. And also I'll be out of town this Friday, and will be gone online for 2 days. I will be visiting my relatives because one of my relatives there in the province is sick. She has breast cancer, so I have to go there and talk to her for the last minute. So just check out my blog, azraelsmaryland.blogspot.com, for more updates of my life and thoughts about movies, comics, animation, video games, events, comics, technology, gadgets, and me. Okay, thank you.